how to create images using Gemini. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to create images using Google Gemini. Whether you want posters, thumbnails, art, or fun AI images, Gemini makes it super easy. So let's get started. You can head over to your Gemini in your Google browser or open up the Gemini app. Then in the new chat, you'll see create image option at the very top. Just tap on it. And now you'll need to describe the image clearly. So I want to create a cartoon style dog wearing sunglasses. So I'll write a clear prompt and then hit send. So the clearer your description, the better the image Gemini gives you. So you'll need to wait for a while and it will create exactly the right image for you. However, if you don't like it, for example, I want to change the coat color to red. So I'll write change the coat color to red. Now, Gemini will do this for me within seconds. And similarly, you can give other prompts like generate a modern business poster in blue and white, and then make the tweaks and changes if you don't like it. You can even make a landscape with mountain and sunrise. And you can even choose different styles. Like, I want this dog's image in anime style. So I'll write in anime style. And then it will easily change it for me. Gemini will create images based on the style that you mention. It can give you multiple versions, and if you don't like it, you can even ask to make another version, add a background, or you can upload your own image and even ask to edit it. So that's it. Once you're happy with the result, you can just tap on it and then tap on save at the bottom right. And it's super easy, super flexible, and perfect for creativity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what tutorial you want next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.